for a Saturday.
Mr. Han's teaching me Kung Fu.
The maintenance man.
It's China, Mom. Everybody knows Kung Fu.
Dre, you know how I feel about you fighting.
Kung Fu's not about fighting, Mom. It's about making peace with your enemies.
Be careful, Dre.
Yes. Mr. Han? Mr. Han?
Back here.
You know you have a car in your living room, Mr. Han. Okay, I was thinking about yesterday. I know that I was kind of freaking out about the tournament, but I realized something last night. I'm an athlete. My number one asset is I'm fast, okay? I'm quick, all right? I'm quick, got speed, cat speed. Bow, bow, see? I'm quick, yeah. See, and I used to take gymnastics at PAL. That's the Police Athletic League, so check it, right? Boom, you see that? Boom, you see that? Yeah. See, my Uncle Raymond used to date this Brazilian girl, and he learned jujitsu, and he taught some of it to me. And it's like locks and holds and stuff, so okay, attack me. See that? Feel that? I could break it. I'm choosing not to. It's a pressure lock. Dangerous. Oh, and he also taught me capoeira, so can't touch me. Can't. That antique.
Pick up your jacket.
Oh. So basically, Mr. Han, what I'm trying to say is, I got a good foundation here. You know, like I said, I'm just might not be as hard to teach me as other people, you know?
Hand it up.
Okay. All right, but now,
Take it down.
you just...
Take it down. Put it on. Take it off.
I already did all this.
Take it off.
You just tell me why I'm
Take
doing this?
it off. Hand it up. Take it down. Put it in the ground. Pick it up. Hang up. Take it down. Put it on. Take it off. Put it in the ground. Pick it up. Hang it up. Take it down. Put it on. Take it off. Hang it up.
Mr. Han, why do you have a car in your living room?
No street parking.
Hey! So how did it go? What'd you learn?
Nothing. did.
You are fighting the tournament.
Yeah. How did you hear?
Everybody knows. I hope you have a good teacher.
Yeah, me too. He's a maintenance man. Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Well, I know that you're practicing, and I think I'm practicing. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. But we're both kind of practicing, you know, and
Are you going to the Qixi Festival?
yeah, I mean, I've missed the Shihi festival since I've been in China.
How? Go to the Shadow Theater.
Okay. Want me to meet you? So, like, Shadow Theater. Okay. Shi Festival, Shadow Theater. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
When is it again?
Tomorrow. Show starts at 7.
Okay, so tomorrow, Shadow Theater, Shi Festival, at 7.
See you tomorrow.
Shi Festival,
Festival.
Shi Festival.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Han! Mr. Han! May I come in?
You might come in. Where's your jacket?
I thought I was warm enough without it.
Go get it.
Can we go all the way back just to get it?
Yes, all the way back where you hide it. It's not right.
What? I'm doing it.
No. Something's missing.
Nothing's missing.
Ah. You forgot this. Attitude. Check it off.
Okay.
Attitude. Yes. That's it.
Okay, Mr. Han, I get it. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have treated my mom like that.